Welcome to Westchester Village, a sought-after condo community in Chesterton, just 7 minutes south of Lake Michigan's shoreline and the Indiana Dunes. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo offers 1,480 finished square feet of comfortable, low-maintenance living with serene pond views. Step inside to an inviting main level featuring hardwood flooring, a bright living area, and a flexible den with laundry closet. The kitchen impresses with abundant cabinetry, a new white farmhouse sink, matte black Kohler faucet, and new microwave, making it both stylish and functional. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 bedrooms tucked away for privacy, including a spacious primary suite. Freshly painted throughout with a refinished open tread staircase, this home is truly move-in ready. A 1-car garage plus additional parking adds convenience. The HOA handles exterior maintenance, including grounds, roads, roof, gutters, and siding, and also